What's up, everybody? My name is Tyler, as y'all all know, and I told y'all I'm about to start being more consistent with my YouTube again. But today I'm coming to y'all with some very long overdue information, and I feel like it's a lot of talks about this topic and nobody really, I feel like a lot of people been waiting for me to speak on it just because of how involved I was with this company, how involved I was with Forex itself. So today I'm gonna be making the video speaking on it so I could just get it out the way. Y'all can know everything from my perspective and I could clear the air, right? So recently, I don't know if y'all watch a comedian named Druski, but he made like a little Forex skit, right? And basically it was talking about like how Forex was a cult, meetings, the ranks in the company that I was a part of, which was IML or IM Academy, and just different stuff of that nature. And then in the comments he was like, share y'all Forex stories, and a lot of people was just saying like how it was a cult, how people was scamming, how they didn't learn nothing, they didn't make no money, blah 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 blah, etc. That was some of the comments on the video. That was like, I say a good, if I'm being honest, a good 45% of the comments. The other 55% of the comments was basically saying how people made money, people got rich, people changed their mindset and things of that nature. I got tagged in that video probably over 100 times. And so now I'm going to share my piece. Was Forex a scam? Because that was also one of the main topics. People arguing over, is Forex a scam? Is Forex not a scam? What was it? What is it? So I'm going to just share my piece, especially as somebody that you don't really see post as much about Forex, because also people were saying like, where did all the Forex niggas go? Like, y'all all just disappeared into thin air. So me personally, I don't know what everybody else was doing, but if you know, you know. IM Academy was a company that taught people how to trade. They did have a recruiting aspect of the company, which was a gift and a curse. The gift of it was because they had a recruiting aspect to the company, people built teams, people got paid off of building a team and referrals. More people knew about Forex. I'm pretty sure that if IM Academy never existed, I probably would never know about Forex. And it was a part of the reason that I knew about it was because they had a recruiting system. Some people were more heavy on the recruiter side, some people were more heavy on the trading side, some people had a good mix. I feel like I was one of the people that had a good mix. I knew a lot about trading, I learned a lot about trading. I can explain trading to anybody. I can explain a pip, I can explain a spread, I can explain a currency pair, I can explain a trend, I can give you an analysis, I can give you a strategy. But also I am very good at what I do when it comes to explaining Forex, that people want to do what I do because obviously I have results in what I have going on, and it's money. It's a $7.6 trillion market, so it's money to be made from all angles and all sides. It definitely was not a scam, and the reason that I personally stopped posting about trading is because, one, I said this in my last video, but I don't want to be known as the Forex bitch for the rest of my life. Two, I don't want to continue to, you know, I started trading when I was 17 years old. I'm now 22, so that's about over a half a decade in that, you know, market. Of course, there's nothing wrong with being known as that, but like, I don't want to be like confined to that. If anything, I want to be known as an overall investor and somebody that helps people make money, a business oriented woman, if you will. So I don't just want to be confined to a box that's like the Forex bitch. So that's another reason I stopped posting about it, and I just don't want to argue with people about how I make my money and putting out how much money that I make and trying to convince other people to get money. Like, if you want to get money, you're going to get money. It's a million ways out here to get money that a lot of people don't know about, that a lot of people are oblivious to, especially now in the digital world, the world of phones. Passive income is very prevalent, and you'll be amazed at the ways that people are able to make money now. So I'm just not about to go back and forth posting it all over my page about Forex when it's like, I've been doing this for half a decade. If you don't know, then you're just not gonna know. Now that I'm being more consistent with YouTube, you know, I come back and give y'all a little something. I know the streets been missing me or whatever. And the third reason that I kind of stopped posting about Forex is because there was really nothing. I'm not gonna say it's nothing to teach. It's always something to teach when it comes to foreign exchange market. It's different ways that you can explain something. Is different ways that you can put things so that other people can understand it. But for the last like 2 to 3 years I've been into bots. And if you don't know what a Forex bot is, it just basically takes away the learning curve when it comes to trading. Since I've been investing my money into bots and making a profit off of bots, not manually trading, I don't really have to teach people how to trade, and I don't have to recruit anybody. I'm not in IM Academy anymore. I haven't been since like 2021. So since 2021 I've also been doing different bots, or 2022 I've been putting my money into different bots and been seeing a profit. So it's like I don't really have to post about it. My money is compounding, compounding every single day. If people hit me up and ask me about it, I'll tell them, but I'm not like pressed. With that being said, I've had, since I made my last YouTube video, a lot of people have been hitting me up saying like, oh, you got a bot? Like, I'm trying to get on there, I'm trying to put my money into that. So I'm gonna just give y'all the inside scoop. I do have a Forex ebook, so if you guys want to know like any Forex basics that I haven't posted on my YouTube, if you guys want a layout, you guys want a trading plan, anything like that, you can click the link in the description and get my Forex ebook. It is only like $22, I believe, and inside of that ebook it will be a link in the description of how to set up the new trading bot that I just found last week. It actually grows your account 15% a week, which is very good for the investing world. So for example, it's compounding. So let's just say you put in $1,000, 15% of that is $150, and then if you kept that into your account and grew another 15%, next week you will have $1,322. Week 3 you will have $1,500 basically, and then week 4 $1,700. So in a month you could have $1,761. Or if you anything like me, I'm really gonna withdraw every single week. So if you withdraw every single week and you don't let your money compound, you're making a free $150 a week. So that would be like $600 in a month. You're making up to 15% a week. So on the best week possible, like I said, you'll make $150 every single week. Notice I said in the beginning, I've done different bots throughout the years, and this is because in America, I don't know why, but they have some type of trading restrictions. Like if y'all been in the Forex game a long time, y'all notice that a lot of brokers are getting shut down for some reason. A lot of unregulated brokers are getting shut down, and they want to regulate Forex. So a lot of bots, like they'll be running for 6 months, and somebody will have a good run, a good $10,000 run, $20,000 run, and then the bot will, they'll email everybody and say like, y'all gotta take y'all money out now, because in the next 4 weeks we can no longer take US clients. So if you're not in the US, you'll probably be safe for a very long time with this. But if you are in the US and you're trying to make an investment that's very lucrative, 15% a week, if you know anything about investing, that is a very good investment. If you're trying to make some easy passive cash for the next 3 to 6 months to 12 months, I would say from the time you see in this video, get my ebook so that you can get the link to the bot and you can set it up today. You actually don't need $1,000. The minimum for this is actually $250. So you could, the other bots I had in the past, you had to have like a minimum of $1,000 to even do it. So this one is a lot lower, minimum of $250. Just a disclaimer, like I said, I've lost money in this, but I always made more money than I lost, for sure. Because I usually, whenever I hear about something, I get on it right away. I know that the US is cracking down on it, so I try to invest my money immediately. And then, like I said, withdraw every week. You can compound your money if you want to. I'm going to be withdrawing my money every single week so that I don't take no L's. Everything is a gain. Because if you start with like $1,000, after 6 weeks, you'll pretty much have your money back. After 6 weeks, if you withdraw every week, on the 6th week, you'll have withdrawn $900 if you start with $1,000. And then on the 7th week, you'll be in profit. Like I said, if you want to get into that, go ahead. I know it's going to be at least another 6 to 12 months before it gets on the radar, and then they start telling everybody they got to take their money out. So it's just free money at this point. If you guys have any questions, as always, I'm going to link all my contact information in the description box. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe. I'm doing good. I got 2 videos out this week. So we're going to keep going. Anything that y'all want to know, put it in the comment section, and I'll see y'all on the next video.